serve us, so guys. I probably this one last too. So when I come across this guy, this was so cute. Like it's just new as in latest cooking gas in that as in India now. Okay, if you don't like, go and check out. Okay, so this one is the latest one for me. The gas was so cool, so beautiful. Even the flatness, like, oh my god, it was so flat. So have you said to oh. So yeah. Look at that. It was so flat, guys. It's like a little so guys, this is so cute. Like the leg, look at the leg, guys. This is so beautiful. It was so flat, like just only this leg, like roller. I just love this. Like the day I come across it, that was for sure. I don't buy online, so you guys have already seen the video. So when I come across it, the first time I see it in that shop, I was like, ah, now this one I even for giving the mother to make I come and check this from gas. I just love it so much. Now I can use rope. The burner is so big, so it's so big than that my first one. The burner is so big. So this one is the biggest burner, this one is the second burner, and this one is the last burner. So this one will cook fast, this one will cook faster, and this one will cook slow. Okay, so this one is the biggest one. So this one I can actually put three pots here. Let's see. Let me off it first. Okay. If that one pot is here, let's see. It's going for the two. Let's see again. Wow. That means I can cook with this tray easily as a wash if I want. No, not you wait now, sorry. That means I can cook like this, as in I can cook with this tray pot if I want. That is so nice. So the journey is going to be easy for now. Anyway, thank you guys for always being there. Yeah, so this one is done for now. And the same time we have this. Maybe if as a pot is hot, so instead of pot to just keep it on the table, maybe you can just put it on the pot so that before it become as spoil our, you know. Anyway, so here we are going to keep our oven over here. We have oven, so let me bring the oven. Oven is going to be here because we have this switch, so it can easily bake, you know. So oven is going to be here. Maybe when I bring the blender, this one is my food processor. Then I've already ordered new blender and new juicer. So in case they bring it, then they are going to be in this space. So yeah, let's bring oven first. So here we have the oven. So the oven will be here for now. Okay, so okay, it's going to be this side, so that it's not easy. Guys, so yeah. So this place is going to, the oven is going to be here. Then maybe when we bring the other stuff, you can feed this many space. This is my set of spoon. Anyway, for now, this is what we can come up with. So anything will come again. Okay, can we just see it? Okay. Dishes will be here, guys. Over here I have the dishes. Everything is arranged over here. And here, this is the pot. So for now, this is what we have. Anyway, always stay tuned, okay? I always got you. So more of this video is coming your way. Stay tuned for your baby girl.